Do you want to know the secret to a truly peaceful mind? Discover a story that might change your perspective on meditation forever. In this video, our wise monk shares an inspiring journey, unveiling how meditation became an unbreakable habit and a source of peace. If you've been wanting to find calm in the chaos or deepen your understanding of mindfulness, this is for you. Watch, reflect, and perhaps start your own journey within. Don't forget to subscribe for more timeless wisdom and join our growing community of seekers on the path to inner peace and self-discovery. There was once a young man who came to me, frustrated, searching for peace. He said, "Master, I've tried meditating. I've tried for days, sometimes even weeks, but each time, I give up. It feels like nothing's happening. How can people sit for hours doing nothing?" I listened, and I saw myself in his story. Years ago, I too was restless, curious, but lacking direction. I thought meditation was about control, about forcing the mind to be still, as if peace was something I could just grasp with willpower alone. Many give up meditation for this reason, because they believe it's about controlling thoughts, forcing them into silence. But let me share a story that changed everything for me. Long ago, I had a teacher, a simple man, quiet yet endlessly wise. One evening, he took me to a still lake. The sun had just set, and the world was calm, quiet. He gave me a small stone and asked me to drop it into the lake. As I did, ripples spread, one after another, across the water, reaching out to the far shore. He said, "This lake is your mind. And that stone is a single thought." As we watched, the ripples slowly faded, and the water returned to its natural stillness. "Thoughts will come," he continued, "but like the ripples, they will settle. All you have to do is observe them, not chase them, not fight them." In that moment, I learned something life-changing about meditation. It's not about control, it's about release. It's not about doing but simply being. When I stopped trying to control my mind and simply watched, I started noticing the beauty of stillness. And soon, the act of meditation became more than a practice, it became a way of being, a refuge I returned to naturally, every day. Imagine this, each time you sit in meditation, you're bringing yourself to that lake, gently watching as your thoughts ripple and fade. It's a place where you can let go of the noise of the world, the worries of yesterday, and the anxieties of tomorrow. With time, that quiet becomes something you crave, like the cool air on a hot day. You find yourself wanting to return again and again, until one day, you realize, you don't have to make yourself meditate. You can't stop yourself. And this is the secret, my friends. Meditation isn't a task to check off or a goal to achieve. It's like watering a plant. You don't see it grow every day, but with patience, one day you'll notice it's blossomed. Maybe today is the day you begin. Start with just a few minutes. Don't try to force silence or judge yourself if thoughts come. Just sit, breathe, and watch the ripples fade. Let meditation become a quiet friend who walks with you, bringing peace without demands. You may find, in time, that you aren't just sitting in meditation. Meditation becomes part of you. And this calm, this stillness, it spills over, coloring every part of your life, from the way you speak, the way you listen, to the way you see the world around you. Your mind becomes like that still lake, reflecting life clearly, without distortion. And when you find this peace, you may wonder how you ever lived without it. You'll look forward to every moment of stillness, not out of duty, but out of love, because meditation, when practiced with patience, becomes a home you carry with you, wherever you go. So, dear friends, sit. Close your eyes. Let the world fade for a moment. And remember, the peace you seek is already within you, waiting to unfold, ripple by ripple, breath by breath. Just begin. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If this resonates with you, take a small step and make time for meditation. And if you'd like to continue exploring these timeless teachings, join us here. Together, we'll walk the path to a life of peace, purpose, and mindfulness.